Love you, Mom.
Eto na mga kapamilya, inaabang ang pag-uwi at pagsasalita ni Jericho Rosales tungkol sa pakikipaghiwalay sa kanya ni Heart Evangelista. Narito na ang aming Entertainment Live Special Report. Buwelta, Jericho Rosales nagsalita na tungkol sa biglaang hiwalayan nila ni Heart Evangelista. An Entertainment Live Special feature. Huwebes, May 8 ay dumating na sa bansa ang controversial actor na si Jericho Rosales. Shock at tila di makapaniwala si Eko na isang nakakagulat na balita ang sasalubong sa kanya. Ito ay ang announcement ng girlfriend niyang si Heart Evangelista tungkol sa breakup ng kanilang 3-year relationship.
I heard nakipag-break siya sa akin on TV. Marami rin sa amin dalawang confusion, diba? Parang misunderstanding and apparently there's sad news and there's been a big mistake, parang gano'n.
After na mahigit kumulang 1 month ng pagsushoot niya sa Malaysia ng kanyang bagong ABS-CBN and Malaysian TV-produced teleserye with Carmen Sue at isang international movie na subject, I Love You, ay bumalik si Eko sa Pilipinas para harapin ang intrigang kinasasangkutan niya ngayon.
I don't know what she said. This whole thing happened. It was so fast. And yeah, I'm gonna try to fix things up.
Inamin ni Eko na hindi niya nakita o napanood ang interview ni Heart kung saan sinabi nito ang tungkol sa breakup. According to Eko, walang naging formal na paghiwalay o pag-uusap na naganap sa pagitan nila ng dalaga.
No, there was not. Nag-email kami, tapos nag-text din kami. Sometimes we call each other, but hindi kami masyado nagkakausap. I myself, I'm confused talaga what's happening. I didn't see any of her interviews. So now there's nothing is formal.
Marami ang nagsasabi na isa sa posibleng dahilan ng pakikipag-break ni Heart kay Eko ay tungkol sa napapabalitang third party na naging dahilan ng labis nitong pagsiselos.
On text, it wasn't clear. Parang apparently there are people telling her lies and the distance made it so hard. Siguro, and then she got hurt and I can't blame her, you know.
Nang tanungin si Eko tungkol sa mensaheng nais niyang iwan kay Heart, ito lamang ang nasabi ng aktor.
Even if lumabas na itong mga bagay na things went out of control, I still wanna be careful of what I will say because I haven't spoken to Heart and I don't wanna hurt her on TV. Hopefully she picks up my call.
Hindi naman itinanggi ni Eko na marami rin silang naging misunderstandings ni Heart pero hindi naman niya inaasahan na aabot ito sa hiwalayan.
Yeah, there's a lot. Maybe it's for me, kaming dalawa muna we should settle.
At tungkol naman sa biglaang paglipat ni Heart sa kabilang istasyon, ay ito lamang ang naging reaksyon ni Eko.
Everything happened so fast. I'm just happy to know that she has a project and she's working. I'm expecting good things to happen to her. I'm expecting a good career for her.
Sa mga patuloy na naninira at humahadlang sa relasyon ni na Eko at Heart, ay ito lamang ang mensahe sa kanila ni Eko.
Whoever said things to her, how come you guys can't show up and say it to my face? I love Heart and I cannot do anything to myself na talagang masasaktan din ako. I don't want to see her hurt. There are things that we need to adjust, things that we need to understand, things that we need to fix. And that's what I'm doing.
Alam mo, ang importante talaga dito, magkausap sila at magkaharap sila. Dahil, as of now, I think Heart is not in the country. And Eko also went back to the country just to do this show. Actually, nag-text sa akin si Smurf. Ang sabi niya, I asked...
Smurf would be?
The RM of Eko.
Ayan.
Oo, si Weng. Hi, Wena. He's okay, pero hindi pa sila nag-uusap ni Heart. He came to Manila just to do our Dinagat Island show, Raw Energy, and he will be back in Malaysia right after to continue his taping. So, pumunta lang siya dito just to do a show, and then he will be back to Malaysia. So, I don't think na magkakausap sila at magkakaharap sila.
Pero sana, even if it's a very simple conversation, kahit na sabihin mong iba talaga pag personal, but at least, nagkakausap kayo ng personal, that would really help kung ano mang pinagdadaanan nila ngayon.
Oo, kasi parang sa itsura ng VTR natin with how he looked kanina, parang he was really confused on what's happening.
Talaga. And more importantly then, yung kailangan lang sumagot sa mga tao, sana sila muna talaga makapag-usap bago sila makapagsalita.
Mag-release of any statements.
Yeah, and on that note, mga kapamilya, magbabalik pa ang Entertainment Live!